excited. I'm really excited because we're gonna, be planting trees today. I can't wait. We're just gonna be digging up the ground and shoving trees in there. So we're gonna head over.
Team Cheese Hole?
Yeah.
We
are the movie holes. Just like that, we're gonna be digging holes! Yes! Team Tree Huggers! Dr. Bosses!
Dr. Boss! Bosses! So we are currently at Pontchartrain Park, and we are planting trees with SOUL. And SOUL is a non-profit organization that does tree planting for free for anyone who requests it. SOUL stands for Sustaining Our Urban Landscape. But yeah, we're doing some practice runs on how to plant a tree according to their organization, because they have specific standards that they want so that the tree thrives where it's planted. And once we get this tree planted, I think we'll all go to our own trees and plant them with our teams.
It's gonna be a great day.
Let's do it. Woo!
Alright, so we've got our girl Lucy here. Currently she's being tucked into her comfortable bed of grass, which is going to keep her upright and will help protect her roots and keep them strong with any wind or storms that pass through. We named her Lucy after, the hit song Lucy in the Dirt with Worms. Yeah, we're really excited to be here with SOUL doing some work. We're getting sweaty. Break out the ground.
We're just trying to make a difference, no matter how big or small. Just helping out. How's the morning session been?
Really good, really good. Really dirt filled. But hey, I did dig some holes and plant some trees. I'm so excited.
I'll drive down to New Orleans, that city.
Lunch was so good. We packed some like PB&Js and a couple lunch meat sandwiches.
Oh yeah.
And we got water, staying hydrated. Excited to plant some more trees.
Down Bourbon Street, you know there's a lot of hot spots. Meet all the big shots down on Bourbon Street. Oh, let's fly down and we can walk or drive.
The dirt inside has the coolest colors here. Each one is like either orange, bright orange, dark brown, sandy. So that's something cool. And now we're finishing up with our last tree.
All it seems, I'm gonna take you, I'm gonna hold you down Bourbon Street.
1, 2, trees!
Okay, so basically at Camp Restore, they have a whole room that's filled with t-shirts that are from schools and different organizations who have come here in the past. So we're writing all our names on a t-shirt, and at the end of the week we'll add it to all the other ones.
Delicious. Our chicken has a nice, what's it called? Breaded coating, and it compares, what's it called? Goes with the salad very nicely. Complements the salad very nicely.
We're going to the Creole Creamery. I've never been there, but I'm really excited. Then we're gonna go run around CVS after, so it's a literal party.
So unfortunately my camera died after the CVS trip, but we didn't do much except for go back to camp and pretty much go to sleep after that, after playing some games. It was an amazing opportunity to work with SOUL again. I love the organization because they give out free trees to anyone who needs it. To plant them on a public golf course, so the trees really do benefit everyone. The team really came together. We got the entire project done. We planted 33 trees. The people who worked at SOUL were amazing. They actually didn't think that we were going to be able to plant all 33 trees, but we pulled it together and we did it. And everyone just worked so well together, and they worked so hard and just do amazing. But we still have a lot of work to do this week. I think everyone is very excited to see what we can do. I'm very excited for day 2 of service. We are working with United Saints again, and we're going to see Chris tomorrow. I think we're all excited to continue working together and seeing what we can do. We're all very tired, and I think we're all about to go to bed, so good night.